Okay, y'all, we got this working. That girl was not behind me. Whatever. Today we're just gonna have a really fun trip. We're gonna jam to some music, bro. But since I film on my phone, right, I have a bunch of CDs, and we're just gonna listen to some CDs. So, let go.
Run around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up.
This song reminds me of James Charles. Whatever.
Never know when someone come and try to take my life. I've been sleeping with the 45 a.m.
Everyone's looking at me.
I couldn't get it wrong. Drop plenty money on her thighs. That's when they roll me in my rhyme.
That's all. This song is called Rich and Sad, and honestly, all I have to say is, it must be hard. Huh, Post Malone. Must be hard.
Oh my god. Covered in carrots, mahogany cabinets.
There's like a bike staying next to me.
Messing with daddy. Got a 100 big place, but I'm still alone.
Buy me love, try to buy me love. Now I'm alone, now that you're gone. So sweet, I feel like Codeine. This song is so stupid clean. Mouth, 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 mouth.
We on a bed and we ain't getting no sleep. We turned the hotel lobby to a party.
I'm whipping a phone when that came with no beetle. I want that Saint Laurent on my beater. Okay, we're done with this CD. We about to get turned with this one. I swear to God. Like y'all ain't ready. Like y'all thought the rest was fun. Like this one, I literally swear I'm the only person in the world that thinks I'm fun or funny. Like, I'm so sorry. If y'all been in my car, CD3. You know, living in my own world. Didn't understand chance. I never believed in what I could. I just spit all over myself. Okay. Ooh, I know that something has changed. Never felt this way. And right here tonight, this could be the start of something new. It feels my high school's right there. That's all I gotta say. And the world looks so much brighter, brighter, with you by my side. I know that something has changed. Coach said to fake right and break left. Watch from the beginning, keep the eye fixed. Gotta run and keep it go, take the bottom of the hole. And don't be afraid to shoot the outside shade. Just keep your head in the game. Get your head in the game. Oh, come on, get your head in the game. You gotta get ahead in the game. Get your head in the game. You gotta get ahead in the game. Woo! Hey, sir. I gotta get my like no other. I want you to know I've never had someone that knows me like you do, the way you do. I've never had someone as good for me as you. For so long I was lost, so good to be found. I'm loving having you around. This I can't talk. No, 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 no. Still at me, and what do you see? Intelligence beyond compare. Bitch, where? But inside I am stirring something strange as a cold behind.
Joy wants to be a single thing.
I play the cello.
Awesome. What is it?
A song? No, dude, it's like a giant violin. Not another word.
Do you have to wear a costume?
Come time. No, understand. Something is really, really wrong. And we gotta get things back where they belong. We can do it, come up straight to the top, going for the glory. We'll keep stepping up and we just won't stop, till we reach the top, up to the top. Thank you.
Can you imagine what would happen if we could have any dream? I wish this moment was ours to own it, and that it would never leave. Right now there's you and me.
No. I bought this one last night. I'm really excited. When the raindrops fell down from the sky.
Okay.
I look like a thumb. Oh, yes. I can't. Oh, I go hard in this part. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go hard on Nikki.
Hey yo, trophy wife, out you won me. Until you had to find out it's one me. That now you bench, all you bum me. Now I'm the bad guy, call me Chun-Li. Cause you was slipping, yet you come see. And everything I be, can't just unsee. 6T, and it's unsweet. But respect God, yeah, run the done speed. Now we shooting a shot like drive-by. Why you had to make me go call up my side guy? He can't let the F-boy F up my nice ride. Yo, Ariana calling me, give you a high five.
Move you love me how I touch you, my one. But not a said and done. You believe God is a woman, and I feel it after midnight. I feel, and I can tell that you know I know how I want it. Ain't nobody else can relate. Boy, I like that you ain't insane. Baby, lay me down and let's pray. I'm feeling that you can't find my one. It lingers when we're done. You're what you got is a woman. I tell you all the things you should. Me, I keep on flourishing. And he said the universe wanted my company. It's all you better stop! Stop! You believe God is a woman. Well, that might just be one of the worst videos I've ever made. So you're welcome. But if you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up. If you thought it was at all funny or at all good, some of the parts my singing was actually okay, so that was fun. We love a sister singer. We love her. But anyways, please like this video if you did like it. Give it a comment. Tell me what your favorite song was that I sang. Please subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos whenever I want. So yeah, love you guys.